Earlier, in the vehicle scrapping industry, heavy material handling was a big challenge. Without proper equipment, the risk of accidents was high and a large amount of manpower was required. With the installation of SG EOT crane 3-ton and Jape crane 3-ton, manufactured by Carlstahl Craftsman, the work has now become much smoother and safer. Heavy lifting is carried out easily and safely. Manpower requirements have reduced and overall productivity has increased. Carlstahl Craftsman, delivering powerful, reliable and trusted crane solutions for the industry.